Apple will release iPhone SE2 in early 2020. The company's cheapest gadget will cost $399, a well-known analyst Min-Chi Ko said. The iPhone SE2 case will be taken from the iPhone 8, but in terms of characteristics it will be close to the iPhone 11, A13 processor, 3GB of RAM and 64/128GB of storage, writes Apple Insider with reference to analytics. iPhone SE2 will be available in 3 colors, black, gray and red. The phone will not have 3D touch support. Smartphone sales will begin in the first half of 2020. In the minimum version, it will cost $399, which is $50 less than the current price of the iPhone 8. According to forecasts by Min-Chi Ko, the company will be able to sell 30 million units. An iPhone SE2 due to low prices will help Apple regain the growth of smartphone sales in pieces and in money terms.